Dagat-dagat. I've been Philippines 12 and 12, 12. Oh, nice. November next. Oo, November. Kuya Minister. Secret is nice. Yeah. He's so very kind person. You know what, guys? Brother Secret 1 month bigo, but now look at look at diamonds. 1 million. I'm shocked because I'm sad. I was stuck here because Prime Wave. Oh my God, 1 million. Oh my God, brother, you have 1 million na. You are so strong so much. Ate Jules, hello. Hi, Lux. You are so strong. Ang lakas niya, no? Hello. Hello, ate. Dan na. Mag-live. Ay, Dan, ako, magpapa-first star pa ako after I will end because later I have work. Jules went to the event. Yeah. Yeah, ate Jules, she attend the event. She enjoying the event. Me, I'm not attending. Hi, Kuya Lux. Luxy, it's you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother Secret. You know what, brother? Me, I'm not attending because working. No attend. I'm Cebu. My manager, I'm asked, I need to absent or leave the work. She said, no, you're so busy. Yeah, very busy. Hi, Luxy. How are you? Busy always. And later again. I'm chubby, no jogging. Diamonds. 1 month. 1 million. I'm shocked. Oh my God. 1M? Now lang ako. Tumal sa akin. Ako din, ate. I'm live bigo like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Go to 5 hours. 5 hours na, brother. Yeah. I will try to reach 4 star. And after 4 star, I will go to rest na. Sleeping. But I'm not sure. Yeah, almost para. 2 hours ako. Ako hindi. Always 8 hours. Always 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. But I'm happy because Brother Secret is supporting in my life. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I'm pray, brother, more blessing to come to you. You are so kind.